I have right here mini electric shaver from Kensen, so a small shaver charged by USB-C. Let's see more details on the box. This is the front. On the side we have company name. Right here we have IPX6, waterproof, ergonomic and convenient, small and easy to carry, 4-layer blade and efficient shaving. And on the back we have the name, model, battery power, charging time about 90 minutes, usage time about 120 minutes, material ABS, waterproof grade IPX6, and weight only 155 grams. So let's unbox it and see what is included in the package. Here is QR code for contact, instruction manual in a few languages. Next thing is this glove. Here we have USB-A to USB-C cable included, a little brush for cleaning, and this mini shaver, and that's all in the box. This is how the shaver looks like. USB-C port on the bottom. You can see it is small and portable, and we can open it, and here is the blade, and here you have a closer look how the blade looks like. It looks quite advanced, and here is a button. Let's press it and it works. And in this cover we can see magnet, so we can easily close it, and it is holding and also really easy to open. On the sides we can see the buttons. When we press it we can take off this head and clean it or replace it. And here we can see the motor, and you can see how it is vibrating. So let's put it back and let's test it if it works at all. Right now I have 1.5 days facial hair, and I've prepared microscope to compare closely before and after what will be the effect. So first let's see before close-up. So this is before, and now let's try this mini shaver. Quite easy and fast, and I've put a piece of paper below me to see how big mess will I make. And you can see some hairs, but it's not a lot of them. But let's open it and see how many hairs are inside. You can see it quite well stores the hairs inside. Only a little bit fell on the desk, the rest was inside of it. And now let's see using the microscope the after. So you can see the difference. It is working, well thought small shaver. Very good feature that it has USB-C, not some custom charger like some of the shavers. USB-C is much more practical for charging, and well thought this magnetic cover for easy daily usage, and really smart and compact. So if you are looking for a small shaver that is charged using USB-C, this Kensen electric shaver is an interesting option. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.